Horizontal translations are trickier. They're actually the opposite from what you would think. When you see a +4, you would think you would be moving to the right 4 spaces because we're adding 4 to the x. But actually the opposite's going to happen. We're going to be moving left 4 units. So anytime you're thinking about horizontal translations, think opposite. A plus is going to go to the left. So I'm going to take these points and move them left 4 units. Okay, I went ahead and moved each of the points left 4 units and drew my rational function. I made sure to be very careful to not go across the asymptote. So the asymptote used to be here. Our vertical asymptote was on the y-axis. But if I shift it 4 units to the left, now that asymptote is at -4. It did not affect our horizontal asymptote at all because this was a horizontal translation. So if you are working on a graph that has an asymptote, be very careful that you also move the asymptote however many units. Okay, let's change up our equation. So g of x is equal to f of x plus 4. If I wanted to write it without function notation, I would need to replace the x with x plus 4. So when you are doing a horizontal translation, you're going to be replacing the entire x with what is here in the parentheses. So I replaced x with all of this, x plus 4. So I can say that the equation of the red graph is g of x equals 1 over x plus 4. Okay, this time we have a -1 inside the parentheses, so I know that means I need to move to the right 1. Remember, it's always going to be opposite. Negative actually pushes us to the right. Okay, I've moved each of my absolute value points to the right 1. Now I can draw my new V shape. And I just need to write my new equation. So g of x is equal to f of x minus 1. So what I'm going to do is replace the x right here with everything that's here in the parentheses. So absolute value of x minus 1. That is the equation of our blue graph.